Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. Next one is how to find the length of a string. So wide main, I am taking str, here str of some length size is 20 is equal to hello semicolon. So what is the length of an string? There is a function called strlen of target. This is the target. This function return value is integer. So take L. Here you have to declare int L. So it returns the length of a printf percentage d L. So here what is the length of a string? Here the hello string length is hello. The memory is allocated for first address, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then null character. Fifth and then null character. Here the starting address is base address is str1. Str gives the base address of an array. Here I am taking 500, 501, 502, 503, 504, 506, 505, 506. Here the values are H, E, L, L, O, then null character. So here what is the str? 500 length. This string length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next null character. String length is 5. Then this function returns 5. So the output is 5. File. Save as desktop 1. Yes. So you have to run this code. So there is a function called strlen of str. This function returns integer value int L. So L is equal to string length of str. So printf percentage d comma L. So alt F9 undefined symbol str. Here the name of array is str. Alt F9, yes, control F9, alt F5. String length is 5. So next one is string reverse. So how to find the reverse of a string? So there is a function called str rev, reverse of str. This one is the target. So this one is the target. That means this our enter string is reverse, changed in this. Select and delete. Okay. So what is str? HELLO, hello. So this function str reverse of str means this string is reverse. First reverse of O and H. These two are interchanged. So this value should be O. This value should be H. Next we have to interchange this value and this value. So here the value is E, here the value is L. So value is L. This value is E. Next only single value L. So what is the str of reverse? Prints or puts of str. So now puts of str. What is str? Str is 500. So it prints 500 base address to up to null character. So output is O L L E H. This is the output. You have to run this code. So str rev of, this is the target. So please remember, string reverse, which array we are passing, that result will be replaced here. This string is reverse. This is the target. String reverse, str of reverse. So puts of str. So alt F9, yes, control F9, alt F5. The output is E O L L E H. This is the string reverse.